If you are looking to start learning Lean Six Sigma, the SimplicityHub White Belt Course is the perfect place to begin. The course is completely free and designed to introduce the foundations of Lean, Six Sigma, DMAIC, waste reduction, and continuous improvement in a simple and practical way. No previous experience is needed. You will learn the key concepts used across manufacturing, warehousing, operations, logistics, customer service, and process improvement environments around the world. The lessons are designed to be clear, visual, and easy to follow, using real operational examples instead of overly academic explanations. The course also includes practical tools, templates, and supporting resources to help reinforce what you learn. And once you complete the course, you will receive a free Lean Six Sigma White Belt certification from SimplicityHub. It is a great starting point for anyone looking to build operational improvement knowledge, strengthen their professional skills, or begin their Lean Six Sigma journey. Start the free SimplicityHub White Belt course today at simplicityhub.co.uk. Explore free templates, calculators, courses, videos, and software tools at simplicityhub.co.uk. SimplicityHub, making things simple.